Hello, dear students. I am Samir Velankar. I welcome all of you to this next video on pointers in C, and the topic is pointer to a pointer. Actually, this topic should be very easy for all the students because we have come a long way. We have seen so many things about pointers in C. So, pointer to a pointer is nothing extraordinary, but let's see. You know that a pointer is declared using data type asterisk variable. For example, int asterisk p means p is a pointer to integer type. But then if you put two asterisks, just check the cursor place, data type double asterisk variable, then this is pointer to a pointer. As an example, int double asterisk t. Here t is a pointer to a pointer. So whose address can p store? Check the cursor place. P can store address of a int variable, isn't it? Because it is an int pointer. Whose address can T store? T can store address of a pointer itself because it is pointer to a pointer. So pointer to pointer means pointer to pointer can store. When you have pointer to pointer, it can store address of pointer itself. That's why we say it is pointer to pointer. Now you all know how to use a pointer. Let's see. Suppose you have a variable x of type int stored somewhere in the memory, maybe at address 100, and it has 2 bytes, maybe x consumes 2 bytes, and the value of x is 10. And we have a pointer p. You notice what we have said is p is equal to and x. So p will store address of x, which is 100. So p points to x. And you know that now onwards asterisk p means same as x. All these things we know. But don't forget, P itself has an address, isn't it? Maybe address of P is 500 because it's a pointer and it is also stored in the memory. So everything stored in the memory has an address. So the pointer itself has address. Let's assume that the address at which the pointer P is stored is 500. Then the next line here, check the cursor place. The next line that I have written is T is equal to ampersand P. So you observe T is a pointer, but it is pointer to pointer. So t is also a variable. It's a pointer and it will literally store 500 because t is storing address of p, and address of p, observe in the picture, is 500. So t will point to the pointer p. So t is a pointer to a pointer, correct or not? I hope you understand. Now, what is asterisk p? Value of x, correct? Then what is asterisk t first of all? Just think over it. Stick to fundamentals. Asterisk t means value to which t points. Repeat. Asterisk t means value to which t points, and that value is nothing but 100. Asterisk t is nothing but 100, and 100 is nothing but address of x. So asterisk t, don't you feel, is value of p? Yes. Asterisk t is 100. And that 100 is nothing but value of p. You observe p is 100. So what if I write asterisk t? It is so easy, you observe. What is asterisk t after all? It's p. We just now said this at this line. So what is finally asterisk p? Asterisk p is same as x, value of x. I hope you are understanding. Then double dereferencing, asterisk t is nothing but value of x, and single dereferencing, asterisk p is also value of x. So that few things have been written here. Asterisk p is same as x, or alias, asterisk p is alias of x. But pointer t points to pointer p, so it's a pointer to pointer. Asterisk t means value of p, then double asterisk t means value of x. So let's see this program. Here again I am having variable x stored at some address, let's say 100. It's a 2-byte variable, let's assume, having a value 10. P is a pointer, but it's a pointer to integer type. T is a pointer, but it's a pointer to pointer. Let's assume P itself has address 500. Of course, T will also have address, isn't it? Everything stored in the memory has an address. This line which I am marking now, P stores address of x, will mean that P will store 100. P will point to x. This line which I am marking, just check the cursor place, is T is equal to and P. So T will literally store 500. So T points to P. Now answer a few questions. First line, you observe printf value of x is x. Very simple. The first output has to be 10, value of x. The second one, printf value of x is asterisk p. Asterisk p means value to which p points. That's also 10. That's value of x. Next line, printf value of x. We are again printing x, but this time we are using pointer to pointer. Asterisk t will first take us to p, asterisk t will take us to p, and asterisk of that double asterisk will take us to x. It is so easy. So this is also going to be 10. So if you want to reach x, you can either write x, that's the best way. X will help you to reach x, or you can write asterisk p, or you can write asterisk t, double asterisk. Okay, the next line, printf address of x is and x, and we are using %u format for printing the address. The address of x, as you observe, and x is 100. So the first output is going to be 100. Then the next line is again printing address of x, and address of x is printed in %u format, but we are printing p. Now you observe p, the value of p is exactly 100. That's the address of x. So 100 is printed again. So p stores address of x. Therefore, next, we are again printing address of x in %u format. Very interestingly, we are printing asterisk t. What is asterisk t? Repeat. Asterisk t means value to which p points. And value to which p points here is 100, and that's nothing but address of x. So this line is also going to print 100. Next line is printing address of p. Observe this line. Address of P is %u and P. Of course, check the diagram. Address of P can be gathered using ampersand P, and that is 500. So the next line is going to print 500. And then the last line, we are again printing address of P in %u format by printing value of T. And you know T is a pointer to pointer. T has already stored address of P, that is 500. So last line is also going to be 500. I hope you have understood basic definition of pointer to pointer. More examples on this. Example gate questions are going to be solved in the next videos. Thank you very much.